Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix you currently don't have permissions to access this folder on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are opening any folder and you are seeing you don't have permissions to access this folder and you are unable to open that folder, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you have to make sure that you have to boot in the safe mode. For that, you just need to click on search menu, then type here system configuration. You can see a system configuration. Click on this. Here you will find an option boot. Click on that. Just click on this option safe boot. Then apply. Then click OK. When you click OK, it will ask to restart. When you restart, your PC will be booted to safe mode. After booting in the safe mode, just open that folder. Suppose you have to open this file explorer. Click on here view, click on show hidden items, and that folder will be visible. After that you can access that folder. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you don't have permissions to access this folder. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.